I just want to speak to the work that I do with mother wound and the centralizing of the mother, the archetypal mother, for men and women, does not cancel out the integrity and the importance of a father. You can hold both. You can actually have both, and you can hold both equally in a way that is complementary and supportive of each other. It's not focusing mother wound work and the mother tending and the mother rupture and repair work that I do does not cancel out the importance of the father in the line or the father's contribution to your own life or to children or community or family. It actually enhances. Because of the mother repair work, the mother wound work that I do is actually based in matrilineal collaborative foundations. It has all the work that I do in that matriarchal space in and around mother wound tending. I have a really clear understanding and connection with women and men have two very different roles, and one doesn't cancel out the other, and one's not more important than the other, but they have two very different ways in which they show up and what they contribute to a family dynamic, to relationship, to children, to world collective and the earth. And they are each very integral and very important. When I talk about mother wound tending, I also work with men in that space where there's been a rupture in that nurturing space, in that attachment with that male, with their own parentage, with their own mother, with their own primary first caregiver. And so when I work with mother wound and I refer to mother wound tending, it's really very important that you understand that it's inclusive of the father, of the male, of the masculine. And it is also not just about the mother. It is also about connection with your authentic, integral way, diverse ways in which you are and which you have exiled or it's been shaped out of you or cut out of you and put in the shadows in order to feel belonged, in order to feel loved, in order to feel safe in a kind of a pseudo safety way. That it doesn't cancel out. We can hold both. This idea that one is more important than the other is wild to me. It's the same as the idea that we can't hold grief and joy. These are fundamental to each other. We can hold a sense of overwhelm and a sense of stability and ground too. We can also hold anger and presence at the same time. We don't need to just hold one and put everything in one kind of expression or one kind of way, and we forget about the other. When we work with mother wound work, when we do mother repair, and when we're navigating and tending to our nervous system, it's about holding many states all at once. It's about the flow between those states and about how those states relate to each other in one single connected point. So, if you think this work is only about centralizing women, that is not the case at all. It is actually about centralizing children. It is about centralizing humanity, connection, divine love, and community. So father and masculine is just as integral and important as the feminine and the mother.